In the previous videos, we have seen the definitions of the fractions, types of fraction, and how to add, how to subtract the fraction. Okay. Before going to the multiplication and division of the fraction, we will see how the complex fraction should be solved. See, is the complex fraction. Do you know what is complex fraction? Already we have seen the definition of the complex fraction. A fraction which is further forming fraction either in the numerator or in denominator or in both. Either in the numerator or in denominator or in both. Either in the numerator or in denominator or in both is called as complex fraction. What it is called as? It is called as complex fraction. Remember one thing, if nothing is in which, always it will be 1. Here also it will be 1. Okay. Now, how to convert this one? 5 by 6 divided by 7 by 1. Okay. Now, it can be written as 5 by 6. It is division. Okay. Divided 7 by 1. Then 5 by 6 into this division will convert to multiplication, and the numerator will goes to denominator and denominator will comes to numerator. Okay, interchange. Now one more we will see here. Nothing in this 5 by 1 divided 6 by 7. It will convert. It will become 5 by 1 into 7 by 6. It will be 7 by 6. Now example. A by B by C by D. A by B by C by D. So A by B divided C by D. A by B into D by C. A by B into D by C. It will be the form. Okay. Now, hope everyone understood this one. Once again, 5 by 3 by 7. 5 by 3 by 7. Here nothing is means always it will be 1. Okay. If suppose a number has been given to you 6, what will be the denominator? It will not be 0. If it is getting 0, this number is undefined. Okay. So what it will be? 6. Nothing is means always it will be 1. Like that 5 by 1, 3 by 7. So 5 by 1 divided 3 by 7. It will be 5 by 1 into 7 by 3. Okay. Now suppose if it is given 5 by 2 whole by 7. If it is given like this, what we have to do? Nothing is means always it will be 1. Then 5 by 2 divided 7 by 1. That is 5 by 2 into 1 by 7. 5 by 2 into 1 by 7. Now we will see the multiplication of the fraction. So 5 by 3 into 7 by 1 into 3 by 4. 5 by 3 into 7 by 1 into 3 by 4. Now numerator should multiply with the numerator and denominator should multiply with the denominator. Need not to go for the like fraction. In the previous fraction we have seen if the denominators are different, so unlike fraction should be converted to like. But in this case it is not necessary. For multiplication and division need not to go for the like and unlike, directly problem we can do. Okay. So numerator should multiply with the numerator and denominator should multiply with the denominator. What are the numerators here? 5 into 7 into 3. And what are the denominators? 3 into 1 into 4. 3 into 1 into 4. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. It will be 105. By 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. If you want to go, you can go for the cancellation also. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. What is remain? 1. 3 5s are 15. Okay. 35 by 4. 35 by 4. Okay. You cannot, means if you want to go for the again process for this problem, again you can go, that is 4 with the 35. That means it can be converted into mixed fraction. Improper fraction, okay, improper fraction can convert to mixed fraction. 4 7 the 28, okay, 4 8 the 32. What is remain? 3. So it can be written as 8 3 by 4. 8 3 by 4. Okay, 8 3 by 4. One more problem we will do with the mixed fraction. Okay, 3 2 by 4 into 7 by 2 into 5 by 7. Okay, now 4 into 3 plus 2 by 4. 4 into 3 plus 2 by 4 into 7 by 2 into 5 by 7. Okay, 3 4 the 12 plus 2 14 by 4 into 7 by 2 into 5 by 7. See, here it is 7, here also it is 7, get cancelled, and remember 2 1 the 2 7 the 14. Okay, what remain now? 7 into, here it will be 1 into 5 by 4 into 1 into 1. Okay, 7 5 the 7 1 the 7, 7 5 the 35, 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4, 4. Okay, now go for the lowest form. 4 8 the 32. What is remain? 3. Answer is 8 3 by 4. Answer is 8 3 by 4. Hope everyone understood. Okay, one problem I am giving you as homework. You take this problem as homework. If you want to copy the problem, you can copy this problem if you want to copy. One problem I am giving you as homework. Take this problem as homework. Solve it. After getting the result, please comment. Please give the answer in the comment box. Okay. Now we will go for the division. 3 by 7 divided 5 by 4. 3 by 7 divided 5 by 4. That is 3 by 7 into 4 by 5. 3 by 7 into 4 by 5. Now 3 into 4 by 7 into 5. 3 4 the 12, 7 5 the 35. 3 4 the 12, 7 5 the 35. Now one more we will see. 3 by 2 by 5 by 6. How can we do? 3 by 2 divided 5 by 6. 3 by 2 into 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Now 2 1 the 2 3 the 3 into 3 by 1 into 5. 3 3 the 9. 1 5 the 5. Remember, most of the students they will cancel this one. Numerator not get cancelled. Denominator not get cancelled. Numerator and denominator can get cancelled. Okay. Numerator and denominator can get cancelled, but numerator cannot cancel, and denominator cannot get cancelled. Remember one thing. Okay. Now this is one. Now next we will see 5 by 2 divided 7 by 3 into divided 4 by 9. How can we convert 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 into 9 by 4? Now can we cancel anything in this one? It is not possible. So 5 into 3 into 9 by 2 into 7 into 4. 5 into 3 into 9. 5 3 the 15. 15 9 the 15 into 9. 5 9 the 45. 5 4. 9 1 the 9. 10 11 12 13. It is 135. 135 by 2 7 the 14. 14 into 4. 4 4 the 16. 4 1 the 4 plus 1 5. 56. It will be 135 by 56. If you want to go for the lowest form, you can go for the lowest form also. Now And multiplication and division. For multiplication, remember, for multiplication and division need not to go for the like or unlike. Okay. For addition and subtraction, it is must and necessary to go for the like to unlike to like fraction. Unlike to like fraction. Hope everyone understood. In the next video, we will do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division combining, and by using the BODMAS rule. Most of the students will get confused in the BODMAS rule. We will try to solve the problem by BODMAS rule. Thank you.